Hey everyone, today I'm diving into some smart money tactics that can really change the game for any entrepreneur looking to maximize their earnings. Let's unlock these secrets together. First off, let's talk about diversification. It's not just a buzzword, it's a crucial strategy. Diversifying your income streams can protect you from unexpected downturns in any single market. Whether it's investing in stocks, real estate, or starting a side business, having multiple sources of income can mean the difference between financial stability and disaster. Now, let's shift gears to passive income, a favorite topic of many successful entrepreneurs. Passive income comes from assets you invest in or create once but that continue to generate revenue over time without requiring much effort on your part. Examples? Think rental properties, dividends from stocks, or even creating an online course. By setting up these passive income streams, you can literally make money while you sleep. But it's not just about having the assets, it's about maximizing their potential. This is where smart investing comes into play. Understanding the markets and knowing when to buy or sell can amplify your earnings significantly. It's crucial to educate yourself or consult with financial experts to make well-informed decisions rather than taking unnecessary risks. Next up, let's talk about cutting unnecessary expenses. This might sound simple, but it's incredibly effective. Review your expenses regularly and see where you can cut back without impacting your lifestyle or business operations too much. More money saved means more money available to invest in your income-generating assets. Lastly, never underestimate the power of continuous learning and adaptation. The market evolves, new technologies emerge, and consumer preferences change. Staying informed and adaptable ensures that you can pivot your strategies effectively, keeping you ahead of the curve and making money smartly. There you have it. Diversification, passive income, smart investing, minimizing expenses, and continuous learning are your keys to making money smarter. Implement these tactics, stay committed, and watch your financial growth accelerate. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights on making smart money moves. Catch you in the next video.